Hello guys, you're watching Droid Crunch. I'm Lakesh Kapoor, and in this video we're going to talk about Wordhero. That is an amazing AI writing software. It is available on AppSumo, and there are like many reviews, many good reviews I would say, on the platform, and people are loving it. And it is like giving you unlimited words in its short form content and unlimited words in the long form content. The pricing is same. You get like $89. I show you. I will leave a link in the description as well so that you can check out the deal. So if we go to AppSumo, or probably we can search for Wordhero review, and here's my website, and here you can see that you can get like $89 all the access to the features of its short form content. And here's the editor add-on, that is here, this one, which is for the long form content, and you will have to pay additional $89 for accessing long form editor, and it will give you unlimited copy forever, all feature updates to the editor, and 60-day money back guarantee. So that software is new, and if you spend some money in its initial stage, you will get benefit when the updates will be coming, because the UI is not that good, I would say. Like everything just comes under pop-up and all that, and it is very sluggish sometimes, and doesn't give me any smooth experience while using the application. But yeah, it is giving you lifetime access and unlimited keywords and everything. If you are a serious blogger, a person who just looks into features and all, then you can definitely have this amazing AI editing software. And let me show you its short form features, couple of them. For example, I have this bullet point expander. I have like written some points. This is for email, but they are in bullets, so you can copy them as well. So let me paste them. Okay, and let me just delete them first. Fine, let's tone, keep it to optional, so we can leave the tone, and let's click on write for me. Okay, it will say that I am leaving in 2 days, and I've had several headaches since I got here. Thanks for the grant, but I can't stay here any longer. Okay, and I can add application here, and then I can again click on write for me, and let's see what difference we receive. Okay, now you can see that it is like more formal, and the touch is like it is an email or kind of application. I am writing to inform you that I will need to take 2 days off from work due to severe headache that we had mentioned here. Thank you, and 2 days we also mentioned here, and thanks. This line is coming from this bullet point for understanding, and hope that you will be able to grant my leave request. So this way you can just use some of these features, but the very restricted thing is that in its short form content you don't have any option to have like more words. Like if you click on this, then you can give the keywords and description with limited characters. You cannot give proper instructions, but the results are quite amazing. I had like used it for like couple of features in article as well, like tone changer, so you can just write any code. I did, and it was quite sad tone, like you only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. It's like a motivation kind of tone, but when I made it joyful and I turned it, it is like live life to the fullest, you only get one chance, so make it count. So it is like more joyful than this one, so it just changed the tone. But yeah, if you use it in the long form editor, it will be more beneficial. Okay, so you can definitely go in and first buy the short form content from the AppSumo, link in the description, and then you can later on just log in and click on the editor and buy or upgrade to the unlimited editor add-on, that is for the long form content. So this way you can easily have access to both long form and short form content inside Wordhero. And the tool is amazing. There are a couple of things that may like not be very good for you if you are already using some of the softwares that are AI, the integrations and all those things. But yeah, apart from that, if you are into like creating content through AI, then you can use this software with confidence. And the updates are quite frequent, and you can just accept in some time few updates that will make it more usable. And for now there are like plenty of templates or short form presets that you can utilize for creating your content. They're already categorized in business, marketing, social media, writing tools, miscellaneous and all that. You can check them out. And yeah, so this was all for this video. You can also buy for now and give it a try. If you don't find it usable, you can ask for a fair refund, but it is worth trying, and I will definitely recommend you to first have a look, because the content that it creates is quite exceptional, and you can create some quality content for your blog as well with Wordhero. And if you check out their community, okay, which is on Facebook, you can find that there are like many like-minded people who have left very amazing reviews on Wordhero. So from that reviews or those reviews, you can smell the power of this tool. So this is all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to watch more videos, or if you want to watch the editor add-on video as well, please leave a comment in the comment box below, and I will just in some time make a video on that as well. For now, I'm signing off. See you in the next video. If you are a new user, please subscribe to my channel for watching more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a great one. Bye bye.